So the program used to run the text adventure escape room game is split into essentially five parts: the main program file, the game file, the player file, stage one, and stage two. The main program file is where the program begins. It acts as sort of like a launch pad for the rest of the program. Basically, it initializes the game/player in stage one before actually beginning stage one. The player.tpp and header file is pretty short. It's mainly used for storing the player's information, for example, their health, name, and inventory. The game file and its header use the data stored in the player file to store functions and data used to run the game, such as the action enum and functions and procedures to interpret user actions, check the player's inventory for specific items, write the player's inventory out into the console, as well as a character sheet. These functions can be called by any level/area in the game. Next is stage one, or the main room. This file contains the data pertaining to the level-specific data and actions. It uses functions from the game file to interpret the user's actions before seeing how it aligns with items found within the level. It asks what action the user has taken, whether it's look or attack, etc., and then brings up like a list of items found in the room and asks what it would like to look at or attack or whatever. Each option has a specific outcome that affects either the player's data, like their health, or the room's data, whether or not a door has been opened, or whether or not the porridge has been eaten, or the table's been flipped, or the window has remained boarded up. And some options just return text. Basically, the player needs to perform a series of actions to obtain a key to open a door to escape. And lastly is stage 2 outside, which is fairly similar to stage 1. It has similar coding in regards to checking their actions and stuff. In this room, the player is confronted by an enemy. The player can attack the enemy, doing a random amount of damage between 2 and 5 off their health of 20, which of course sparks a counter attack from the enemy that does the same, but to the player's health. This continues until either the player or the enemy have health less than or equal to 0, at which point, depending on the outcome, either the player wins or loses. The player can do actions other than attacking. However, doing so will incur an attack from the enemy. So if the player turns around, relock the door or lock the door, they're gonna get punched in the back of the head. Or if they attempt to use the enemy, that'll get an attack. But yeah, that's essentially how my program works.